Can you get a picture with it?
Domi, what'd you get?
It's for Dominic again.
Do you like your presents?
Yeah.
Say thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
I love you. Yeah.
Hey,
cool.
a box for me.
It's a box for you?
Yeah.
What'd you get?
A box.
Let's see if you can open.
I can't.
Here, let me help you, Ben. Here, ready? Let's
The
rock and
box
roll.
is fun, huh?
Ooh, got some cool. Look at some. What are those jammies?
Pajamas, Dominic.
Well, look at them.
And
Open them up and check them out. Look at
clothes.
it, buddy. Look at the clothes, dude.
Hello.
Oh, those are outfits right there. These are pajamas.
Ew.
Let's open this.
Oh,
Let's
nice. He's gonna
open.
sleep on them tonight.
They're for 4 and 5, but they'll probably fit him.
Oh no, they'll fit him.
Pants, yeah.
Open this.
What's up? Well, look, hold your pajamas for me. Look at those.
Look, I'll open this.
Can you wait for a minute? Apparently not.
This is cool.
Can you wait for a minute, little guy?